Hey everyone! So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a lemon vinaigrette dressing. You'll need a third cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of stone ground mustard, a 1/4 teaspoon of maple syrup, 1 garlic clove grated, and a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt to taste. In a mason jar, you're going to add the extra virgin olive oil, the juice of a lemon, both lemons, stone ground mustard, maple syrup, the grated garlic clove, and sea salt, and you're going to mix it all well. Don't forget to click subscribe to subscribe for more videos. Click the button now. Subscribe. Click notifications. Thank you.